As you probably already know, a verb is an action word. It tells us what is happening. In English, we use the word to before a verb, as in to play, when it's in its infinitive form, meaning unconjugated. And unlike irregular verbs, regular verbs have a set pattern for how they are conjugated. Regular verbs in English are conjugated by adding either d, ed, ing, or s to the root word. For example, the root word play becomes played, playing, and plays when it is conjugated. In German, the root for play is
Spiel.
The infinitive, or unconjugated form, is
Spielen.
Almost all German verbs in their infinitive form have an en added to the root. So, to determine the conjugation of a regular verb, you must first recognize its root. Then replace the en with the appropriate ending. For
Ich.
you will add an e. I am playing.
Ich spiele.
You may be wondering why I am playing is not pronounced as
Ich bin spiele.
instead of.
Ich spiele.
That is because German does not have the present progressive tense. So, he is laughing and she is dancing is simply he laughs and she dances. For you informal,
Du.
you will add st. Why aren't you playing?
Warum spielst du nicht?
For he, she, and it,
Er, sie und es.
you will simply add a t. He is not playing?
Er spielt nicht.
For the plural form of you,
Ihr.
it is just a t, the same as for he, she, and it. The game you play is hard.
Das Spiel, das ihr spielt, ist hart.
For we,
Wir.
you will add back the en, exactly like it is in its infinitive form. We play for fun.
Wir spielen zum Spaß.
For they,
Sie.
you will also add back the en. They play a game I don't like.
Sie spielen ein Spiel, das ich nicht mag.
For you, formal, both singular and plural,
Sie.
again, you will add the en back to the word. You must practice before you play.
Sie müssen üben, bevor sie spielen.
When you want to describe liking an action, you will use the word.
Gern.
It means to like and is placed after the verb. I like to hide.
Ich verstecke mich gern.
It can also be negated with
Nicht.
I do not like bowling.
Ich bowling gern nicht.
One last thing to remember. With regular verbs that end with d or t, an e will be added for the he, she, it, and singular you cases. This makes it easier to pronounce. It also avoids doubling, or in some cases tripling the letter at the end. The root word for work is,
Arbeit.
so he works is,
Er arbeitet.